Rise and shine. How beautiful are these trees, looking all beautiful. We got so mesmerized, we got a little bit lost, but hey, we had to find our way back to our venue, which was the lodge. So here's when we arrived at Lili's lodge, and this is the room that we're going to set up for the Matric dance or Matric farewell dressing room. Then this is me. Hello, this is me just with the helium balloons. Then I just had to take them inside, so I had to make sure that they don't fly away and they don't pop, because we don't want that when you're at the venue. So yeah, just making my way through the corridor leading to the room that I had showed you earlier, where I'm going to set up the balloons. Our client had ordered 30 helium balloons. So once I got there, I had to now release balloons so that they could be up by the ceiling. So as you can see, there's one blue one. So I wanted to even it out and have like different colors onto the ceiling. So there's different shades of blue as well as the silver helium balloons onto the ceiling, so that it could have a different kind of feel to it. But yeah, so it's just now placing them. The silver where they were in place silvers. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the royal blue and the baby blue. So her theme was shades of blue for the Matric dance, so for the dressing room. So this was something that the mom wanted to surprise her daughter with on her Matric dance. When you're placing your balloons, just make sure you're having fun with it. So you just have to also just check which colors did you put more of. So we added a personalized balloon onto the bed, and this was the final look of our helium balloons on the ceiling. So here I was just now putting some petals onto the bed. So she wanted blue petals, so I got scented blue petals. So there I was just now spreading them around onto the bed. I had 3 packets of petals, so I was just putting as many as I can. Then I moved to the other side, and I had to put some more petals on the other side, so the more the merrier. So here we're just spreading it around and putting more petals so that the petals could be evenly distributed onto the bed. So this is how it looks so far. It was Omalemo's Matric Dance 2024. That's what we had written onto the personalized balloon, and this is what it looked like from the front view of the bed. And I just had to add a little bit more, as many as you want. You can put as many petals as you want. And the lovely part about these petals is they already have a scent to it, a beautiful scent to them. So yeah, it looked very lovely. And just checking it from the front, just putting more petals and seeing how it looks. This was a lovely room for the Matric dance dressing room. That was a very lovely room for Omalemo. How we love setting up surprise setups for loved ones. We love it with all our hearts. Here's the final look. We added some balloons, like extra balloons on the bed. This is how it ended up looking. I hope you love what we did. If you have any questions, please let us know. But yeah, Omalemo was very happy to receive the surprise. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.